Looks like they've already started, which is great news. Oh yeah, look at that old one. Good. You get the heat on today?
Oh, definitely.
All right, sounds good. I know they appreciate you being here and getting everything set up for them.
Oh, no
it's kind
problem
of
at all.
a crazy day for an install, if everyone can see here.
But rain, sleet, snow, we're like the mailman, you know? It doesn't stop us.
Always get it done, right?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. What's going on today?
Well, today's my second day on the job, and I learned before I got here that we're going to be putting in a free unit to help a family in need out.
Yep.
Feels really good to do it. I'm real passionate about the trade, so, you know, any work for me is good.
Glad to have you here. Tony, you got him working on a rainy day, his second day here.
Oh, of course.
Good stuff. Well, I'm glad you're here.
Break them in, you know?
Break them in right?
Yep. Yeah.
That's good.
It's Christmas gift, I believe.
Cool. Very nice
Yeah,
Christmas
it is neat.
gift.
I love that kind of stuff.
Are you going to wrap this up with the President of O, or what do we got?
Sure. No, we're going to get it going good there, Tom.
Good.
We call it a Merry Christmas, and when I do get the opportunity to call these customers and tell them this, be honest with you, I start crying and they start crying. So this is the reason I love working for this company. It's an honor and privilege.
And I get a call from Dan in the car telling me, thanking me profusely. I didn't even know that we had procured all of the stuff and we were going out and put in the unit. Almost made me have to pull over because it was very emotional. And the responses that I've received from around our neighborhood goes along the lines of, my plumber is unbelievable that they care this much about their community. And that, I knew that, but now a lot of people see that.
Because it's so overwhelming when you're like, you can't say anything great enough, you know?
I know what you're saying. And it doesn't happen every day either, because you don't really know how to react.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
I don't think I could handle this every day.
Me too.
Oh my gosh.
It is so good. I'm glad we could do it for you.
Okay.
Thanks.